Akala ko hindi ko nagagamitin to. Kaso mahirap pala maging choosy kung wala kang pambili ng bago.
What a beautiful day. Stop, stop, stop. The warmth of morning slowly touch your face. The sunlight slips across your skin without asking anything of you. Listen to the quiet before the world begins to hurry. Breathe deep enough to smell fresh coffee, warm earth and hope arriving with the day. When was the last time you truly felt alive? Not busy, alive. Stop, breathe, feel this moment. What a beautiful day to feel your heartbeat, to fill your lungs, to let your soul finally catch up with your body.
Tatlong beses nga pala akong natapilok dito kasi kung mapapansin ninyo hindi pa sementado yung lugar namin. Okay lang siya sa easy runs pero sa hard runs, mahirap. And if you're wondering bakit ako dito tumatakbo, kasi unfortunately nagkasakit yung dalawang anak ko.